Not all aspects of it are fantastic, right? But the looking at the data side is really only a small portion of it, right? When you start getting into the modeling side of it, you're definitely doing more coding, and you're also using more creativity. And you're also using more of the scientific mind to say, okay, yeah, I tried this approach to the data and it went great, or maybe it didn't go so well. How do I fix that, right? And then to me, my favorite part is when you find a good model, you're at a result stage, so you're getting some results back, but then what does it mean? Like you need to make that mean something for your stakeholders, for the business that you're serving, right? So for me, that's the fun part, kind of what we would call a results interpretation, right? Because you're not going to take a bunch of math and confusion matrices and things like that to the business. That's a terrible strategy, right? I've seen teams do that, and yeah, it's weird, right? You got to take those results and you got to make it mean something for the business, like in plain English, right? So for me, that's the fun part of data science. But